Hey guys, it's Roxanne West from Bonjour Bliss blog, and today we are showing you how to transform a room with Metrie Complete pre-painted shiplap. It is no secret that I am in love with shiplap. We have it all through our home. We've installed Metrie shiplap in our laundry room, in Noah's bedroom, in my bathroom, and many other spaces in all of our homes. But today I wanted to transform our master bedroom. I really wanted an accent wall with shiplap, especially for our brand new bed, just to really pop against that white wall. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get that shiplap look by doing it yourself. So right now this bedroom is a light shade of blue. I really want to paint everything white, and then that accent wall in the shiplap is going to be in that same white paint color. I'm really hoping those horizontal lines of the shiplap are going to draw your attention there and really make the room look a lot wider. I found this black iron canopy bed on sale, and it actually has that shiplap look as well, so I can't wait to see the way it pops against that Metrie Complete shiplap wall. As you know, we're busy parents of two, and yes, we do a lot of DIY work, but the reason we love the Metrie Complete pre-painted shiplap is it's such an easy process, guys, and if I can do less painting and Craig can do less painting, we're happy. Okay, so we've emptied the room and now we're about to get started. 1. Locate and mark the studs on your walls using a stud finder. When you find them, mark vertical lines following the studs up the desired installation walls. 2. Remove your baseboards from the walls. Be careful though when removing those old baseboards if you plan on reusing them over the shiplap. Alrighty, so we wanted to share a couple of tips with you guys when you're installing this shiplap. One is Craig cut our baseboard in half with his multi-tool. Because we're working with 7.5-inch solid wood Metrie baseboard, we wanted to take it off in 2 pieces instead of 1 in order to prevent a lot more damage on the wall. We used 2 different pry bars in order to get our baseboards off. We used this one at first to pull the baseboard away from the wall, and we used this flat pry bar to actually prevent damage on the wall. Three, now you're going to install your Metrie Complete shiplap. Place the first board on the wall, starting at the floor. Use your level to position the board so that it is not tilted. The last thing you want is crooked shiplap. Because every ceiling height is different, you want to make sure that you measure how many shiplap boards you are going to need and how small your bottom shiplap piece can be in order for all of the rest of the boards to be the same size going up to the ceiling. The last thing you want is a little sliver of shiplap at the top. Nail the shiplap board through the dado. That's the flat spot that connects the boards to the studs using a nail gun. Use an 18 or 23 gauge. If you need to make cuts to the boards where necessary, use a compound miter saw. When you're putting 2 pieces of shiplap together, you want to make sure that you cut one of those pieces on a 45-degree angle. That way when those pieces are put together, you're making that seam a lot less visible. Step 4. Now you're going to finish with your Metrie Complete finishing kit. Use the color-matched Metrie Complete wax stick to fill all of those nail holes, and then use the leveling card and the buffing pad to smooth out all of those areas that you filled. Step 5. Use the color-matched Metrie Complete caulking in a caulking gun to fill any of the gaps. Then run a clean finger along the bead of the caulking to smooth it out. As you guys can see, we've finished our shiplap wall using the Metrie Complete shiplap. We are so happy with how it turned out. It was such an easy weekend project. Next, we're going to be putting all of our furniture back inside the bedroom.